Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and a demo or trying of my new Dyson Supersonic. I want to start out with that the reason why I'm doing this video is because there's absolutely zero videos of curly hair, someone trying this hairdryer recently, not from like years back. That was my first problem. Second problem, there isn't any videos of like people comparing the models, which isn't helpful either. So I'm here to help you with that so you can save some money. One last thing before we do the unboxing, I decided not to go with the new Dyson that just came out. 1, I saw mixed reviews. 2, I didn't like the thing that it's like meant for like sensitive scalps, that like the sensor basically once it touches like your scalp, it knows to cool down. I don't like that because if I have a hairdryer and I'm trying to blow dry my hair, I want my roots dry. I get it. It's so your scalp doesn't get burnt or like it doesn't over whatever. But like when I'm doing my curly hair routine or diffusing, I don't want it to move my temperature around. That's me. That's my personal reason. Dose. I don't like the colors. The colors were very weird and just... Okay, color. 3, I didn't like the new diffuser attachment that they created for the Dyson. I don't like the cup. That's another reason why I got this, because I have the Shark Flex style. I'm not a fan of the diffuser attachment. And I know I can buy some on Amazon, but as soon as you go to medium heat, your blow dryer turns off. So yeah, this is why we're here. So to the point that I want to get to, I had 2 options. I would have to go with the original, which is the pink one, or the gold one. As you guys know, I hate pink with a passion. Like I don't like pink. I'm sorry if you like pink, cool, that's you. I don't like pink. I'm a black and gold girly, and I like brown and beige. That's just me. Yellow. But yeah, so my options were the pink or the gold one. Now, the difference between both of them, nowhere online I could find a video that compared both of them. And come to find out, they're the exact same thing. It's just one came out first, and the other one just came out with a new color years later. That's it. So that was the difference between the gold and the pink, the gold and the pink. But I needed a hairdryer right away. The gold one was $100 more. And the pink one I can get right away, so I ended up going with the pink one. It's like a pink fuchsia. I'm gonna learn to like it. I'm like looking at it right now. I just don't like pink, but it had the diffuser attachment that I wanted, and it had a stand. The other one did not come with a stand, so they both had the same attachments. It's just one was gold, the nickel copper gold, and the other one was just pink. That's the only difference. But the one with the pink had an additional item, which was the stand, which we used that at the salon. That's why I'm here today, because I diffused my hair at the salon the other day and I really missed my Dyson. So with that being said, if I went with the fuchsia one, which is the Dyson Supersonic, this is the original. I could have picked it up today from any of my local Costco's, and they were at $359. So they're already on sale. It was $130 cheaper. And I could pick it up right away. The only difference is the color. Like I said, they both have the same motor, which is the V9. The newest one is the one where they changed the motor, where it's like when you set it down, it turns off and on. It detects, it saves the attachment's temperature the last time you use it. I don't care about that. I just want a blow dryer that is gonna blow dry my hair when I want it straight, and I want to diffuse it. And that was another reason. This has the original diffuser head, which I love this thing to pieces. It's a good one. So this is the stand. She's not that bad. It's pink, but it's not that pink. Okay, that's dealable. That's dealable. It's dealable. Okay. Part to blow dry your hair. Money maker. This is what I wanted. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted. If I'm gonna do braids, this one. I honestly don't think I'll ever use that. Maybe when I blow dry my hair. Gentle air. As you guys can see, I already used my curly hair routine. I'm gonna go straight to diffusing my hair. I do cold air, that's what I've always done. I'm going to flip my hair. Let's turn her on. Wow, we're done. This is hair oil. I don't recall what it is. I put it in a travel form to take it to travel, and I don't recall what this is. So I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair. Oh my gosh, my hair is so shiny. You see what I mean, guys? That's all the Dyson. I don't know how to explain it. Like the way that diffuser works and the way it's set up, I don't get any type of frizz. There you guys have it. My hair is dry, 100% dry. Everything is nice and beautiful and curly. We don't have any type of frizz anywhere. Do you guys see those curls? I don't know how to explain it, but that diffuser head just does something when drying curly hair that you don't get any type of like frizz. So, yep, I don't regret it. Only thing I don't like that is pink, but I will get over it. Today is December. We only have a couple more days until the year is over. So I'm basically gonna call this video 2026. For 2026, the Dyson Supersonic, the original, I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. It's still amazing. It is perfect. If you are interested in drying your hair or diffusing, if you're a curly hair, I highly recommend this attachment. I'm pretty sure you can buy this attachment and it should stick to the new one, if I'm not mistaken, but it's more expensive. So honestly, just save your money and get the original at Costco for $359, depending on the Costco or your state, or get the gold one. It's the same thing. I don't regret my purchase. I love her to pieces. I can't wait to blow dry my hair, like do with a brush and everything to see what it looks like. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Obviously I hate the color, but I will get used to it. It's not that bad. It'll grow to me. It'll grow to me, but don't regret it at all. I love it. I have no frizz. My curls are shiny and it took me 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna let you guys sit with that information. We'll leave this linked in the bio. If you guys have any questions, just please let me know and I will answer them in the description box, and not just box, in the comments. And everything will be in the description box, especially like the products that I use to do my hair as well, because I know I get a lot of questions of that. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.